Alright guys, another reaction videos. Matinding bakbakan na naman ito. Samahan ninyo ko guys dito sa intense fighting moments. Let's go!
Fight.
Alright, round 1. Mga solid na kata. Uy! Wow! Siya ang natumba, siya ang tinamaan, siya ang sumusuntok pero no one hit. Wow! Kaliwat kanan guys, kaliwat kanan. Wow! Matibay din ang kalaban ng mataba. Grabe oh. Kita na ang guhit sa likod. Wow. Tatapos na yun. Nako, ito medyo malambot. One solid punch and count does it. Medyo tagilid ang laban ng nakadilaw guys. Medyo mahinang. Yun na nga ang aking sinasabi guys. One hit. Bagsak si Pogi. Alright, alright. Next match. Alright, parehas yata to grappler guys. Ayan na, triangle. Nakalock. Nalock. Nalock. Nalock guys, nalock. Nako, yun na nga, yun na. Parang wala na, yun na, nagtapa. And that's it. Sulit, grabe. Wow! One hit, one punch. Dead. Wow, ayan, solid na naman. Nako. Oh, slam. Defense, alright. Na. Wow, yun, nakarecover. Bakit nabitin? Yan, parehas, parehas. Boxing. Ooh, one hit, another one. My God, tumba talaga guys. Hilo si Pogi. Another one. Uy, buti naka-slam. Boom! Ang laki na katawan ng may team. Nako. May choke. Alright. Guard. Yun. Buti gumagawa ng yun na. Siya nakabawi. Nakabawi. Whoops. Nako. May pit. Tight. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. Tap. Alright. Wow. Congratulations, boy. Oh my God. Woo! Ang taba ng isa. Bugbog. Ginawang punching bag. Ginawang punching bag, guys. Wala nang mouthpiece. Ooh! Wala na. Ginawa ng punching bag. Oh! Ito, tagiliran. Na bodega. Wala nang lakas. Wala nang lakas, bodega. Alright. Alright. Wow! Parehas mabigat to guys. Wow, kalot ka na. Wala na. Ref! Oh, minto! Oh, minto! Nako, manipis ang katawan ng isa guys. Parang, siya pa. May combo. Wala na. Hilo. Malapad sana. Malaki ang katawan. Kaya lang, tinamaan ng solid punch. That's it. Wala na. Medyo hilo na. Alright. Yeah. Oh, solid punch.
I was very close to stopping him,
Alright,
but I think
that's
you were
respect.
extending yourself, but I wanted to give you an
That's it.
opportunity. You his wife? Okay. How you feel? You know where
Tinaman
you're
ng
at?
solid punch.
If you start feeling nauseous, headaches, anything after this, you gotta go get checked. I don't think you were out cold by any stretch, but you had a flash knockout, so just close eye on it. Just a little rattle, that's all. Men are always gonna say they
Mm-hmm.
okay, but just get your legs under you, you know.
Alright. Yeah, he's fine.
Gloves. We went over the rules. You guys have any questions? No.
Mm-hmm.
All right, back to your corner. Fighter ready. Mouthpiece. Fighter ready. Mouthpiece. Timer ready. Let's go, baby.
Alright, let's go. Oh, medyo may edad na siya. Oh, may solid punch. Hindi nakaporma yata. Oh, yun. Bodega na lang, wala na. Solid punch. Alright. Masakit yan. Yun. Sakit yan. Sakit yan, guys. Wala na hangin. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, hello. Hello, hello. Grabe, nahilo. One solid punch. Hello. Oh, ayan din. Oh, bodega ulit. Wala na. Grabe. Kaliwat kanan. Wow. Magaling. Magaling maglaro. Tingnan natin kung tatamaan siya. Tatamaan ng medyo maitim. Uy, magaling yung... Uy, tinamaan siya ng bodega. Ayan. Subsoba. Alright. Tinamaan. Si maitim, wala na. Wala na. Sakit yan. Nawala na ng hangin. Alright, next. Oh. Alright. Ooh, one solid roundhouse. Grabe. Wow. Wala na. Wala na. Oh, nakabawi. Nakabawi siya. Oh, nakabawi. Ooh. Bagsak. Wow. Oh, one solid pass again. Oh, wala na. Binugbog na, guys. Binugbog na. Binugbog na. Hindi na makaporma. Hindi na makaporma yung nakaubad. Wala na. Alright, that's it. Solid ang katawan ng medyo maitim. Laki ng katawan. Oh, see that? Oh, dugo yung ilong niya. Sino kayo nalalaban? Ah, grabe yung ring nila, guys, oh. Nako, wala na. Wala na. Tap. Tap. Wala na. Wala na. Ayan, natulog. Gulat siya. Gulat. Nagulat. Ayan.